Look at this. This isn't just luck, and it isn't expensive extensions. This is the result of feeding my hair exactly what it needs. If you've been struggling with growth, dryness, or thinning, I have a question for you. Why are we still wasting money on heavy, damaging pomades that don't work? Your hair deserves a nutrient-packed powerhouse, and today, I'm giving you the keys to my secret weapon. This is my 100% natural DIY growth pomade that has completely changed the game. It is the only recipe you'll need for 2026. So stay with me for every step because I'm showing you the potent herbal secrets that will give your hair the moisture and length it deserves. Now let's make it.
1, 2, 3.
For the first ingredient, I'm taking about 1/5 cup of cloves. I'm going to grind them into a powder form right now. We are starting off with cloves because they are an excellent choice for hair treatment. Grinding them is one of the best ways to make an efficient herbal pomade because it exposes the surface area of the herb to the oil. Look at the powder. It is a therapy that has been used for a very long time to treat scalp dandruff, and it prevents baldness and hair loss while promoting new growth. I'll now transfer this mixture into a bowl to continue the process. I'll now be adding about 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil to the cloves powder, then mix it well. You can use any oil of your choice. Now I'm using the double boiler method. The water is already on the stove and the bowl is now sitting in the hot water. I'll be leaving this for about 5 to 10 minutes while slowly mixing it. The low heat infuses the oil without burning the nutrients. Now I've taken it off the stove and let it cool. Look at that rich color. It looks amazing. I'll now strain the mixture using a pantyhose, but you can also use a cheesecloth. This is all the leftover particles. After straining, this is what the cloves oil looks like, and I promise it's so moisturizing. For the next step, I'll utilize the double boiling method once more to create the actual pomade. Starting off, the water is already hot and I've placed the bowl in the water. I'm adding some cocoa butter and 2 spoons of shea butter, and I'll let it melt down. Once it has melted a bit, I'm adding 1 stick of cinnamon and 2 star anise. This helps promote growth by improving scalp circulation and stimulating your follicles. I'll now add 1 spoon of dry rosemary. Fresh is also fine if you have it. Rosemary is demonstrated to reduce alterations that cause hair loss and minimize scalp itching. Now here I am now adding the cloves oil that we made earlier, and I'm adding it right into the mixture. Once I've done that, mix it all well together. Now that everything is well infused, I'm taking it off the heat to add in more of my power ingredients. I'm now adding 2 spoons of dried organic rose petals and 2 spoons of chamomile. Mix it, then bring it back to the double boiler. Now that we're back over here, I'll start off by adding 2 spoons of Traditional Emulsifying Wax. Next up, I'm adding 2 spoons of 100% Indian Hemp. I'll now be adding a small amount of Domatol. Domatol is an antiseptic treatment that addresses dandruff and infections. It strengthens hair and reduces breakage with menthol and vitamins A and E. Remember, you can add in all of these herbs at once after the rosemary if you want to save time. Alright guys, now that it has cooled a little bit and it's now off the stove, I'll now use a strainer to get it smooth. This is what the mixture looks like. As you can see, there are a bit of particles inside, so I'm going to go ahead and re-strain it again, but this time using a pantyhose. Now this is the 2026 Super Oil. Look at the texture. It's smooth, bright, and perfect for your hair. Let's move on to the next step because I can't wait. I'm now adding 1/4 cup of castor oil. Next up is 2 tablets of vitamin E. Now let's add some jojoba oil. Now let's mix it up. I'll now put it in a jar and let it freeze for about 15 to 20 minutes. You guys can use any container of your choice. I just pulled this out of the freezer and it transformed from a basic oil into the most potent pomade I have ever seen. Just looking at it makes me feel like something new is coming for my hair and yours too. I am so happy to share this journey with you guys, and may all your hair dreams come right on true. I'm honestly still out of words over this texture, but I want to hear it from you. What is one hair goal you're chasing this year? Let me know in the comments down below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to join the journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!